with another video, and today I am playing with the Naked Heat palette. Here's a closer look at the shades. As you can see, it's a warm tone lover's dream. If you like warm tones, then I would definitely recommend that you get this palette. It's probably, actually no, it's definitely my favorite Naked palette by far. I've been a big fan of matte eyes recently, so this is an all matte look. Please comment down below if you'd like to see me use some of these shimmer shades. But for today, we've got this all matte smoky eye. And if you'd like to see how I got ready today, just keep on watching. So I don't know what look I want to do today. I'm just kind of playing around whilst getting ready. I'm going to go in with the NYX Color Corrector in medium. So it's like a nice peach tone to combat my dark lids. Take that to the lid. As I'm doing a talk through video today, I've had to sacrifice my music whilst getting ready, but I wasn't prepared to do that, so I am playing it in the background. I put the volume down drastically, so I hope it's not too loud in the background. But let's face it, especially if you're a girl, there's no way you're getting ready with no music. First up, I'm using the shade Soft, this one right here, in the crease.
Okay guys, so that was a massive fail. Turns out I actually can't get ready without listening to music on full blast. So voiceover it is. So as you can see here, I'm just blending that shadow into the crease, just softening it out, taking my time. Gotta get that blend right. Next up we have Cayenne, which is my favorite shade of the whole palette. It's just the most beautiful warm goodness, and taking that to the full lid and then taking on Fuego to deepen up the outer corner. But you'll see here that I didn't think it was deep enough to actually give me that definition on the outer corner, so I went in with Ashes, which was perfect. Next, I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and just blend those edges, girl, because ain't nobody got time to be leaving the house with harsh lines. And next, covering up my dark circles and then going in with my favorite foundation by NARS. I am not even going to attempt and say the name of it off the top of my head because it is a long ass name, but I will list it in the description below. I'm in the shade Punjab, just in case anyone wanted to know, and I'm also Punjabi, so great colour matching, Naz. And a really bad joke from me. Please don't unsubscribe, guys. I will not make another. Okay, so now that's all blended out, I'm going to take my Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay and just cover up those under eyes. Give myself about 20 hours extra sleep. And now to lock all of that in place, I'm going to take my Stay Matte Powder by Rimmel and just control those oils. For anyone out there that's oily, like, this powder is actually amazing. I would highly recommend it. To contour and define the face, I'm going to be using the ABH Contour and Highlight Palette, and yeah, just chisel those cheekbones, glow up those cheeks, you know the drill. And to add a pop of colour to the cheeks, I am using the Milani blush in the shade Romantic Rose. And then going back into the ABH palette, I'm going to highlight those cheekbones and any other high points of my face. Okay guys, so can we all just take a minute for this highlight? It is banging. I was never really a fan of highlighting my face, but there's something about this highlight, guys. It just looks stunning on my skin tone and I love it. Next up, we're taking the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and just hitting the lashes with that and just building some volume.
Yeah. Make me your back to you.
now moving on to lips, I am just going to take Chanel's Rouge Allure lipstick in the shade 168 and just apply that to the lips. I forgot to film the lip liner I used, but it was MAC's Stripped Down. And I love this combo, it's just the most beautiful nude. And to finish up the look, I'm just going to take Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray and just lock all of that in place. And that is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.